Welcome back to Clearspeak Lab. Most students fail the error spotting and sentence improvement sessions because they try to translate sentences into their native languages to see what sounds right. That is a trap that will cost you negative marks. Toppers don't read the whole sentence, they look for fixed word pairs. In today's class, I am giving you 5 mathematical word formulas. Once you write this matrix on your sheet, you can spot the error in under 3 seconds without even knowing the meaning of the sentence. If you want to stop guessing and lock in a perfect score, hit that subscribe button right now and let's write down formula number 1. Let's fill in our first fixed pair. Write this down as an equation. Between always pairs with and. The examiner will always try to mess with your ears by replacing and with words like to or as well as. Incorrect concept. The meeting will be held between 10 am to 12 pm. This sounds correct casually, but it is 100% ungrammatical. Correct concept. The meeting will be held between 10 am and 12 pm. Every single time your eyes see the word between, immediately jump ahead to check if its partner is and. If you see to, cross it out. That is your error. Formula number 2 is the exact twin of the first rule, and it is where students get completely scrambled. Write down this equation. From always pairs with to. Incorrect concept. You can visit the office from 9 am and 5 pm. Correct concept. You can visit the office from 9 am to 5 pm. Look at the mathematical balance. If the sentence uses between, use and. If the sentence uses from, use to. The examiner will always swap their partners to steal your marks. Keep them locked in their correct pairs. Formula number 3 is a guaranteed point gainer that appears in almost every single testing shift. Write down this pair. Lest always pairs with should. The word lest means otherwise there is a danger of. Because it is a formal word, your brain doesn't use it daily, so the examiner tries to pair it with will, would, or may. Incorrect structure. Walk carefully lest you will fall. Correct structure. Walk carefully lest you should fall. There is a secondary secret rule to this formula. Lest is already a naturally negative word. Therefore, you can never use the word not after it. If you see lest, should not, remove the not instantly. Formula number 4 is a structural masterpiece. Write this down. No sooner always pairs with than. Than. The examiner's absolute favorite trick here is to replace than with when or then, spelled with an E. Incorrect concept. No sooner did I step out when it started raining. Correct concept. No sooner did I step out than it started raining. When you see no sooner at the start of a line, ignore everything else and look for than. If it's missing, you have won the marks in 2 seconds flat. Our final matrix formula involves comparative adjectives. Words like preferable or senior, junior, superior, and inferior already have a comparison built inside them. Write down this absolute formula. These words always take the preposition to and never than. Incorrect concept. Tea is more preferable than coffee. Double error. You can never use more with preferable and you cannot use than. Correct concept. Tea is preferable to coffee. If you spot preferable than or more senior than, change it to a clean to immediately. It is an unalterable rule of English grammar. Look at your screen right now. We have built a 5-line mathematical matrix that cuts out all the confusion of error spotting. Now, let's test your processing speed with today's challenge. I am writing a sentence. He is senior than me, so I must coordinate between 2 pm to 4 pm. This sentence contains two separate partner errors from today's matrix formulas. Find them. Rewrite the sentence correctly in the comments below and prove you have mastered the trick. I will personally verify your answers. Make sure to subscribe to Clearspeak Lab to lock in a steady Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday conceptual stream. Like this video if these formulas saved your study time, and I will see you in our next class. Keep studying and goodbye.